C7 Corvette lights, oven method, 10 to 12 minutes. These are the tools you will need for any kind of light, but specifically for this one are very well helpful. So here we go. We're gonna start at the bottom right here, get these clamps off, clips out, and then you're gonna start right here on the edge. No cutting, just heat. You're gonna spread them out. And you should start seeing the bottom of the lens. These are made of metal, not the plastic stuff that you use for the actual plastic clips. These are made of metal. They're imported from Europe. And then you come back with this one because it's a lot more stronger. Stick it in and start working your way around. There we go. So we're spreading. You gotta be fast, but don't go too crazy because then you can break stuff. But you gotta be fast enough because this Permaseal 2-part epoxy dries quick within less than 5 minutes. You leave it in the oven no more than 12-13 minutes. You know, if you can't get more of the seal pull apart, just throw it back in there. Key is take your time. These are some very nice gloves to get because they are heat resistant. And get them at Harbor Freight. Get you a couple pairs. I've used these for almost 2 years. This part right here is going to be the key point to get through. Once you pass this, everything else is easy, like butter. Because this is one of the strongest parts on the light. So that's about it, because now it's dry. We're gonna go back in and continue the process in a few seconds after this. All right, so here we are. We came back from second run in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and start where we left off, which was in this corner. Gonna go ahead and try to get in there. As you can tell, it's moving a lot more freely than it was a few seconds ago for you. 10 minutes for us. And just keep doing this. There he goes. That's it. He gave up. And now that it's all the way out on this side, just go to the corner right here. Just hold it with your other arm, because this from here to there is very flimsy, so you want to get a good support on the underneath. And there he goes. It's popped on that side. Flip it around. Continue. continue going around while it's still hot. Remember, you only got 5 minutes or less. Gotta get these clamps real quick. This is why I like using both, because this other one is going to be my helper. Right there, get you situated. Don't listen to them other videos that tells you to do the cutting method instead of the oven, because they keep saying that it's not achievable and not possible. Well, here I am to tell you different, because I'm doing it on camera, and it's very achievable. And guess what? No camera tricks, no nothing. Done. Don't let nothing touch the inside of the lens. Don't lay it on anything. Go ahead and put it on the table and put a cover on top. We got C7 here in the interior, so we're gonna go ahead and show you the control switches for all the lighting that's behind the radio. So press the screen down. There they are. And it's got all of them right there. There's control 6 different kinds. Right now we, kind of put in some stickers on there to kind of sort of relate what we got going on. So here we have the front, which is our DRL. And then you have a different kind of color, so that means it's on right there. And our DRLs are on for the halos in front right now. I'll show you a video right now. Turn them off and cut off. Then we have zombies, which is our dimming eyes. And then we have the fan, which is our interior. Not interior, engine bay, I'm sorry. Then we have interior, which is actually interior. And here we have the lighting in the interior. All the way around. Alright, so that's that. We got what it says off-road. We have one for the, what you call it, underglow, but that's our underglow, so turn it off. Then we have a rear one. We have a rear LED light that some back there. And then we got a different kill switch for this, so it doesn't keep the battery from draining. This car is pretty much kept inside the garage, and it takes a few days for the owner to drive it, sometimes, only on weekends. So we make sure his battery was safe, so we put a kill switch on top of that. So the kill switch is on the door. It kills power to everything, all the extra lighting that did not come from factory. So that's pretty much it. That will turn off when the kill switch is turned off. And it's hidden behind the radio on the C7. So thanks again for watching.